I don't know why influencers are not talking about this more. You need to be on a Mac M1, 16 gigs of RAM minimally to play with agents, automations, and then coding in terminal. You cannot do this on an 8 gigabyte RAM computer. You cannot do this on a Windows computer. Like, whoever's telling you, yeah, you can build agents on your Windows computer is selling you a whole lot of BS, because like not one student, we've had hundreds of students go through my programs. All the students that had a Windows computer failed utterly. And I'm like, how do I make Windows not fail? And then I was like, wait a minute, that's like, oh, it's already like, no, we're just going to dump them, focus on just Mac. And then our success rate went to 100%. Imagine that. We went from fail to 100% success rate. As an educator, that means everything to me. I don't care about making more. I can make 60% more money if I let Windows users into the classes. I don't, because I can't guarantee their success. They'll be fun. And then I have to refund them the tickets because they're like, oh, your tools don't work on my computer. I'm like, you have a Mac, you have a Windows computer that is so obsolete. I'm like, there is nothing that we can do. So if you're trying to do it, no. You can't join my academy. You can't join my coaching program. You can't join any of my templates or program, because none of it works on a Windows computer. Absolutely none of it works. So please let that be a sign that if you're serious about making money with AI, look, I already give out 10K awards in my academy when people earn $10,000. We've never given one to someone with a Windows computer. When that day happens, I'll let you know. Don't worry, I'll let you know. Doesn't happen. And then I paid off debt, not on a Windows computer. Like, it's also no Linux, no tablets, like none of that. Very important. Now, let's go deeper into it, because that was the whole foundation that you're running your business off of, is literally the computer. Everything is on it. Now, nice. Let's go down to the next one. Look at all these tools. This is like, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. A lot of people are looking at the bill and they're like, I'm overpaying for a lot of software. Yes, you are. Cool. Oh, you guys are gonna love this one. Tell us about the Chrome extension and what could we do it with Claude. So Claude has a Chrome extension that is scandalous. It only works on Chrome. I'm sorry, Chrome is a necessary evil. That's another mandatory thing. You cannot do automations on a Safari browser. You cannot do automations on a Microsoft Edge browser. You cannot do automations on a Brave Opera browser. So even the browser you're using is handicapping you in all the cool AI automation. So that's why it has to be a very specific tech stack in order for you to leverage all of these automation tools. So this is Claude the Chrome plugin. Jesus, there are 13 million people. If you have not heard about that, there are 13 million people that are ahead of you. That would be terrifying. So this is really dope, because this will put this on. And now I'm gonna just put let's just pick Zernio, for example. Zernio is a new tool that we talked about for automating your social media content. But when you log in for the first time, you may find it intimidating and overwhelming. For example, there's lots of buttons and you don't know where to start. For example, this is a great example of how to use Claude Code, where he can come in using the extension right here. And now you can give him any work and he can take over this browser. Let's see here. I want you to just create a post that just hello world. That's all. Just something real simple. So he's now going to, you give him a command, and now he's going to take over my browser. And now he's going to take a screenshot. Okay, he gave me a little plan. I'm going to approve the plan. And now he's going to take over my computer. My hands are going to be up here. And so from here, while I talk to you guys, now you can do full browser automation. So if there's that website that you have to go to, if there's that form you have to fill out 14 times a day, if you have to go to a website to do some data entry, if you have to go to a website to get some more or pull some information, you have to do it 14 times a day, let the AI agents do all the work. You have to be on Chrome. You have to use Claude Code. So you see why these tools, and you have to be on a Mac. Do you see how all these tools just work seamlessly? Like, we just deployed an agent right now while I'm talking to you guys. Like, this is like For business owners and founders, like, this is cheating. Like, this is ultimate cheating, because you can have Claude do anything that you want.